And welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the Be My Valentine machine and how to use it. So if you guys want to basically go ahead and use this machine, what you have to do is you need to basically go ahead and have two people, essentially one being yourself and someone being, I guess, your Valentine or whatever, or a random person. Just pull the lever, and once you guys basically pull the lever, you'll have like this heart icon above you and like this chain icon. And I'm going to assume that while this icon is active, you actually get like more of like a buff. So you guys can go ahead and you do have to like be next to them, like you do have to be next to the player that you have the buff with. But you want to go ahead and just click on the pull lever and then be next to that person, and then that should basically help you, should give you some sort of a buff. But yeah, that should be pretty much it. That is how to use the Be My Valentine machine. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.